today, Victor. I want to welcome you specially to my channel today. If you want to have more of my videos, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Got a couple of videos which I think will be of a great benefit for your trading career. I also want you to know that we have constant weekly reviews and weekly analysis, which of course review starts every Saturday, and the analysis usually is on Mondays, where we are able to spot the markets and be able to go into the markets together. Okay, today I will be talking to you specially on how I use price action in spotting market bias in Forex trading. What is Forex bias? Forex bias are predictions that are accurate when you are sure, when you are fully aware that your analysis is moving in a certain direction. That's what we call bias. So I can basically use that word to describe to you what I will be talking to you about in this video. I'm talking about determining market direction. One of the greatest challenge which most traders have in this market is being able to determine market direction. How do you spot the movement of any market? No matter the currency pairs you're trading, as long as you are into Forex trading, even if you're into crypto trading, what I want you to know is price actions are very key levels in trading. And what are price actions? Price actions are levels where one reasons or the other price has made a decision, price is making new decision, price is either going to change direction or price is going to move in a different direction. And this is how we come about our own bias, and I want you to learn something from me today. So what I do first, like I always tell you, is to take my analysis from a higher time frame. Okay, so I take my analysis from 1 week time frame. First, I start by spotting the trend. Remember, this video is for price action, but I have to do this trend because sometimes there are some interceptions where price actions intercept the trend line, and it gives us a full confirmation on market direction. Of course, this is the counter trend and this is the downtrend, but here there's still another major downtrend which has been on for a long time now. Okay, I just spotted that now. Now you might be wondering, what is the indicator that we have currently on the screen? So for the sake of this video, I'm going to take out that particular indicator so we can have a clear screen. Okay, so if I take out the indicator, you find that we have just the charts and the trend lines which I just drew. Okay, we have some lines. I use these lines for previous videos, so I'm going to take them out as well so they do not interfere with my current analysis. I could have just said, okay, remove all drawings, but I just drew trend lines and I don't want to take them out. So pardon me for taking a little time in eradicating these lines. Alright, so for my analysis, price actions are key levels where as soon as price gets to that level, I will be expecting price to make certain decisions. And how do I come about this? I use future occurrences with price to be able to predict. I use previous occurrences with price to be able to predict future occurrences with price. For instance, this is a price action, this is another price action. If you look very well, there's an action here, there's an action here. So you're asking me, what are these actions? These are rejections of price at different levels, and to me, for my strategy, these are key levels which I want to take note of from high time frames, then take them down to the lower time frames and make certain decisions and find my direction. This is actually what gives me to know the direction at which market is going. So I haven't done that from the 1 week time frame. I go straight to 24 hours time frame. Usually the price action from 1 week time frame and 24-hour time frame do not usually have much differences. They're just going to be some few difference like this, and then this trend here, and then this rejection. Then I can see there's a rejection here, and there's a rejection here. Okay, so if you look very well, you see that price actually, the trend line is actually still working out in the same direction. So we go straight to 4-hour time frame immediately, and in this 4-hour time frame, what do? Another price action which we like to take note of is, let's take for instance, this is Monday and this is the beginning of the week. We always love to take note of the 2 candles that begins the week. So you're going to make reference to my video on the best and this strategy, day trading strategy. Okay, so let's assume these are the 2 candles that begins the week. For instance, let's say this is the beginning of the week. These 2 candles gives us the high of the day and the low of the day, and eventually what it means is that this side of the high becomes our buy region for the week. Okay, we use that color of green for buy, and the other side becomes, so we're just going to clone it. The opposite side becomes our sell region for the week, and it's going to be on red. So the opposite side is our sell region for the week. Alright, so these are the basic price actions which we want to take note of from the 4-hour time frame. Coming down to 1-hour time frame, no much difference from 4-hour. Let me take out these previous drawings that are still appearing here. No much difference from the 4-hour. So, but the little difference which might be spotted, we'll just use our horizontal ray line to just draw it immediately. So we're gonna pick this, then pick this, and there's this. That's all. So our entry point starts from the 15-minute time frame. So here is the 15 minutes time frame where we usually make our entry point. Of course, price action is not just the factor we have as our consideration before spotting an entry. We have many other considerations like psychological levels, volume, and all that. But I'm speaking to you on how I use price action to spot direction in the market. So now in this case, you'll notice that I can actually take a trend line from this point to this point. Okay, so how do I now spot these entries? It's very simple. From the 15 minutes time frame, you will notice that from this particular price action from higher time frames, there was a bullish move to this level and got to this level and stopped at the next price action level. If you do a back testing, you will notice that this will give you a major entry. So automatically this gives you a bias. I want you to take note of this strategy because it will always give you direction in the market. You will not be among those traders that say, I'm in the market but I cannot find direction. You always have a direction, and then your risks will always be minimal. You can see that your stop loss is just beneath the next price action level. Okay, so you can see that this is a beautiful entry. And how do I get my entries? Anytime there is a bullish breakout, clear bullish breakouts with other factors confirming my entry, I consider going straight into the market. Okay, so you see that this price action keeps giving us direction. I'm going to go straight to 24-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you what I mean by anytime there is a bullish breakout. I'm just going to take you back a bit. Okay, all right, let's look at this level here. Okay, let me zoom in a way that it will be able to be visible for you. Let's look at this level here. Let's do a back testing from this level. Okay, from this level. All right, so how am I going to be making these entries with these price actions? Okay, it's very simple. So let's just play and see. Let's see the breakout on the price action lines has been drawn. So you can see how previous price action lines can help with futuristic predictions. Okay, I just did a major breakout. This has already played out, so I don't work with that. New structures have been formed, change of character has been formed. Just looking for a break in structure, then I can be able to make a decision. Patience is very key in trading. Don't be in a hurry to go in. You have to observe. Okay, that's the entry. So you watch and observe that price actually broke this particular price action level with a bullish bearish candle. Sorry, it's a bearish candle. So breaking this level confirms my entry. Okay, so most times I've just been taking it from this other side. That's my take profits. Okay, but it has broken take profit. Let's look out for another entry. Okay, I'll stay in. Just be watching closely and see how I use this. I already have my bias now. It's just to make entries. Still going bearish. I'm hoping for a reversal. That's why I have to hold on. If you look at the previous side, you will observe that there is need to observe reversal. Okay, don't be in a hurry to go with the reversal because of retest. Okay, that's the retest. So I'm waiting for a breakout. Okay, that's the retest. A breakout will confirm my entry. Okay, so this is the breakout for the entry. So this entry is supposed to be here, even though I didn't stop the replay on time. It's supposed to be from here. Okay, let's see how it plays out. Okay, take profit already. So let's look out for another one. Let's look out for another one. Always pay attention to when price breaks a major key level. That's price action level. Okay, that's another one. This one here is a confirmation. This particular bearish breakout is a confirmation. Okay, it's a confirmation, even though I didn't stop that video on time. Let's look out for another one. Let me see if I can stop it on time. Okay, that there's a retest before the breakout. Okay, still waiting for the breakout on the price action level. You can see how price is maintaining its price action level. That's the breakout. So automatically this becomes an entry. Okay, but I might not be able to say this how far it can go. I can only say how far it can go depending on this level. So I can't really say if it's going to break that level. I'm only going to be watching out for what price will do when it gets to that level. Then I'm going to be using proper risk management in case market begins to reverse. You can see market reverse. You can see before it began to go, but it didn't hit stop loss. So that's why you have to be risk management conscious. Okay, So finally price reaches TP and hits TP. Alright, thank you for staying up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. So subscribe to my channel for more videos on how you win the Forex market.